guys. What are we doing? We got one of our greatest
everybody.
CRC Academy students ever. I think we only had one class, but so far, one of the greatest CRC Academy student, right?
Yeah, well, he's a great student. He always asks very good questions.
Well, what's your background?
Well, my background basically is in the medical industry. I've been in sales for over 10 years, and basically got my attention to the clinical trials industry because it seems related, obviously, with medical equipment. That's
Yep.
what basically I've been doing for a couple of years. But saying that, I'm going to do a commercial that basically by the end of the year, we were able to provide to the FDA one of our top of the line equipment for mammography.
Wow,
So
okay.
saying that they were going to do trials for a specific part of this equipment so they can launch that to the market obviously when the trial is done. So why not to learn, to get involved what you guys do. Obviously I've been following you guys probably for the last 3 years or so, and why not to learn something new. So I decided to join the CRC Academy, new adventure, and definitely one of my best experience so far.
But as far as clinical research, so do you think you'll be involved with this industry at all?
I really think I am. Basically, will be probably a side project that I would like to develop in the near future. Like you've been informing to all your members or your network. I mean, definitely you've been pushing this gonna be the best year. One of the top ones,
2020
right?
will be huge. It's a record year. Gonna be a record year. I can't say this enough.
Yeah, I've been telling the students that there is so much opportunities in research right now that it's just like the sky is the limit. It's the right time to do it. It's the right time to join this industry.
And the site level is the best place to get in. Because you can go to a CRO, like people in our CRA Academy, they all want to do that. But even there, I tell them, start at the site level first, because it's going to open you up to the most variety of opportunities you have. If you're at a CRO or a sponsor, it's less opportunities. Maybe the pay is better, but it's less opportunities. You're not going to learn as much, and then you're not going to be able to pivot your career when you need to. Everybody pivots their career.
Yeah, and plus it gives you the opportunity to see everything in perspective that you will say, okay, this is the part or the area that I really like and enjoy, so I'm going to go
Right.
in this direction.
But
It's
people
fun.
like Raul who are just getting in right now, best time to do it. I mean, who knows what the economy will be like a year from now? We don't know. But at least we know for the next 6 months and probably the next 12 months, it's going to be booming. So what a great time to get in, get the experience. So we're making a few changes for the next quarter, right? We're starting March, right? March.
Yes, because the February class is already
Oh, tell them about
it's
that.
already full. We don't have any more spaces so we've been
It's because we really do it's a group setting, but it's a lot of one-on-one.
yeah.
You spend a lot of one-on-one time with
Oh yes.
all the students.
Yes. So now we're just the next class will be March, and and it's filling up
And what's the price?
quite quick.
What's the
It's
price?
$3,000.
Okay. And 3 months. And
3
what do we
months.
do with internship? They have to talk to you separately?
Yes. So once they finish the class and finish the last project, which is like the final.
project, yeah.
Once they do that, and then they get all the grades and all this stuff.
You know, in school, you learn things you never use when you graduate.
Yeah.
This is totally different. This is the opposite.
Yeah. So you're going to be using everything you learn for your final project, and it's gonna make you even better student and more prepared for the real world.
Excellent. So text or call 949-415-6256 if interested. You give your phone number?
Or 714-561-6366.
Very good.
And or my email is monica@globalclinicaltrials.org.
Preparing.
Oh, don't forget before you say it. So if you're a site owner and you want to train multiple staff, we'll give you a discount with the group.
Oh yes.
Well, so just briefly, just a little experience of the last 6 weeks because we're going to the 7th one. First of all, the price, obviously, there's something that people are very sensitive, in my opinion, but something that you mentioned previously that knowledge doesn't have a price. So once you get in and you really get into deep what you really want to pursue, obviously there's rewards after that. Second, regarding the class, I believe it's not something that you just pay, go buy it like, okay, week one and good luck. No, and you guys, I want to bring that up because you guys get really involved. Like Monica, available on the phone, emails. Dan's always put the classes for the people who probably miss.
I will be much more involved in future
So
classes.
I
not this
believe
one.
that everything that is given here, it's totally worth it. So it's not something that you just go back in the days and probably you don't pay attention, you miss it. But in this time, they're providing the best top of the line classes, in my opinion. I cannot compare, but I really feel it the way that you guys promote what you guys are doing. Also, the way that you guys support each student is outstanding. So I need to make this commercial because that's what I feel. And obviously it's good to share it so you guys can get motivated and just give them a call. They can answer any question you have or share with the other students what are thoughts
And
about
you're
it.
our first testimonial.
Yeah.
So thank
Amen.
you so much. To the price, you know, we're entering 2020. It's a new decade, but it's like things are changing in the world. Like degrees are less valuable now, unless you're a doctor or a lawyer. You know, we're entering an era of skills education versus a degree education. And this is a skill. This is exactly what the future is these kind of academies.
And we're actually giving you a career in 3 months.
Not a degree,
Yeah.
which you're not gonna learn anything with most degrees anyways.
Yeah.
Right? But with a skill, you're gonna learn skills here that their research is not going anywhere.
And we're teaching you from A to Z in from the side
Everything.
perspective, and it's very I mean it's to the point, and it's comprehensive class. So I'm very excited. I love doing it. I feel passion for it.
Excellent. Thank you guys very much. Thank you for sharing
Thank
your
you.
testimonial.
My pleasure.
You're
Thank
a
you.
top 10 student.
Keep
for
it doing.
sure.
Let's keep it doing.
And thank you, Monica. And thank you
Thank
guys for
you.
watching. And make sure you call her or text her if you're interested.
Thank you, Dan. Thank you.
Thank you,
Raul.
guys. Thank you.